Right, morning guys. Today's project, 08 plate VAUXHALL Astra. My neighbour's just delivered it to me. He's just bought it from the auction, and it's in a bit of a state. Let's have a look, shall we? Right, back of the car looks lovely. Oh yeah, lovely, black and shiny. He said there's some damage on it somewhere. I can't see where. Let's have a look. Hang on a minute, what's this? Ah, that's your problem, lady. Oh dear. Little bit of bumper damage, a little bit of wing damage, a little bit of suspension damage. That wheel's facing to the left. That wheel's okay, that wheel's nice and straight. Let's have a look under here, shall we? Let's see what's going on under here. Oh, it's not too bad under the bonnet. Now luckily I'm not tasked with doing the bodywork, all I've got to do is the mechanical side. So basically I've just got to whip this wheel off, see what damage there is underneath. Hopefully there won't be no chassis damage, and we'll go from there. Right, whilst the next stage done, I've cut off all the broken plastic. So we've got a big pile of plastic down there, bits of headlight and stuff. Actually, it's got away with you know, minor damage really. I don't know if you can see. Let me grab a light. But he's buckled the bottom suspension on like a banana. It's crushed the lower part of the strut tube, so it's going to need a new strut, and it's going to want another tie rod in, anti-roll bar link I should say. Looks like the chassis might have a bit of a dink in the chassis there. We'll have to have a look up the other side. Can't really see up there at the moment, so I'll take the plastic off. The drive shaft looks okay, steering rack arm looks nice and straight, and the subframe looks okay from what I can see. So we're going to go and get some bits, put some suspension bits on, and we'll go from there. Right, we've got a bit further now. Since last time, what we've got is we've got a new bottom arm in there. Lovely jubbly. I've taken the old broken anti-roll bar bit off of there. Just got to straighten that bracket up. Luckily the bearing and the hub seem okay, from what I can tell at the moment. There's the bottom arm. Look at that, bent like a banana. So we've got the strut off, the strut's over here. Springs all compressed, all ready to take off. I just left a nut on there until I get the new strut, just in case the spring tries to explode. This is what it's done to the bottom of the strut. I don't know if you can see, but it's put a right old kink in the bottom of the strut there. Creased all the bottom of the strut. And that's it. That's that. Just waiting for a new shock to come into the stores, then we can go and get that. What I did think was funny was this mounting at the top here, where the strut mounts onto the turret here. It just comes up in a little cup, and then you have these two plastic inserts which just clip into it, into the top cup and hold it in place. Very strange. And then that just sits on the top. No bolts, no nothing, just a plastic clip. No. Broke my screwdriver, that's no good. Never mind. Got some new tips for my multimeter today. They're nice, all the way from China. Lovely jubbly. Right, onwards and upwards. Catch you in a bit. Right, picked up the new shock absorber. Lovely and glossy black. Look at that. All ready to go on. Now for a quick changeover and reassembly. Right, as if by magic, the springs on the new strut. It's like a rocket ready to launch into space. So, now, if I can, I will show you how this fitting goes in there. So first of all, we have to push the strut up inside.
Like so. Something like that. There we go. And these pieces should slot in here.
With a bit of wiggling about. And then what we need to do, like that, clips. And that's it. That's all you get. 2 clamps squashed together around the flange, holds it in place. That clicks in the top. Strut all in place under there. Just got to bolt the bottom in. Right, and that just about concludes this job, I think, for today. New strut in place, all bolted together, new bottom arm, new anti-roll bar link, steering rack looks all okay, drive shaft looks all okay. Had to repair the ABS wires because they were snapped off there. Had to redo that connector, redo them joins. We'll just put the wheel on and it can go off to the body shop. Right, there we go, wheels back on again. New battery, that battery was dead. Now you can go off to the body shop. Okay. Oh, just one thing. When I got in, the old ABS light was on, so I've had to reset the ABS code. But yeah, it's all good. No faults in the system apart from entertainment codes. Apparently this left scroll button doesn't do much, apparently. But apart from that, clean little car. Okay guys, right, that's it for now. On to the next one.